Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you guys are watching me from. I come in peace. Please, if you're joining me, share the program as you're joining. If you're joining me, please share the program. Very, very important. I will not be here long. I was waiting for Daddy Freeze to finish, but he took a lot of time. Sorry, let me attach Daddy Freeze photo here as well. The free, sorry, you will be on top. I think it's go. Okay. Pin where you are. Okay, I am on hello, hello, yeah, hello. Odemma K1. Odemma. Okay, I'm live program. I mean, Mona gave away. Wow. Huh? I'm everywhere. Each on the platform mega home. Hello, babe. Now I'm not working our phone. Give me see what I'm getting one in Missy. I'm because I'm not complaining now because I beg. Alpha. Oh, again, women. In Michigan. If I like for a complain about like this, that means you're missing me. Oh, again, name. Okay. But I'm not going to put on a now. Okay. No, it's now the man at Boggy. So I'm going to give you an abale. Yes. But I'm a Boggy letter. Didn't get training, eh? Back a bit in the other, I can't jo. Yabom. Ah, Jide. Training, I can't. Please share the program as you're joining me. Tag Daddy Freeze here, because can you tag Daddy Freeze for me? Please tag Daddy Freeze for me. Tag Very Dark Man. Tag Okwuluora. Tag Daddy Freeze for me. I've been waiting for Daddy Freeze to finish. He's the reason why I took so long, you know. So I wanted him to finish, so he will hear what I'm about to tell him. Tag Daddy Freeze, share the program. If you want me to see where if you want me to see your comment, I am on Woto. Hold on, let me tag the page here. Let me add the page here so you can see it. Okay. This is the page name, Woto for life. No grief for anybody. That is where I can see your comments. You can be viewing me in all my platforms. But where, please share this. If you have not been sharing my program, let today's program be one of the busy program you're going to share. Because I request for one thing, because I don't follow Mary. And yesterday, I think the whole thing got my attention. I went to her platform. And also, please, I need that video that he made. That day Okwuluora came out and narrated his own version of the story. And Mary went to her platform and started shedding tears, crying profusely. How do you put it? You understood what I just said. I need that video. Please, I would like you to share this program. Tag your friends. Contact your friends. Wherever you're watching me, you can join me on Woto for Life. And so I can read your comment. No grief for anybody, please. Or you can stay in other my platform and still share it. It's still okay. I need that video Mary deleted. That video, she was crying uncontrollable. I need that video, please. And also, I'm gonna touch a little basis, literally 2 bases before I go direct to my main program. I had this criminal in England that Ogechi, the born criminal himself, that those people that were busy defending Udela came out and denied the account they were using to raise money for Udela. Let me tell you, not when the gene is down, you start running helter skelter, trying to clear your name. You are a pure criminal. Because you guys knew that I came out to expose all of you for posting that account. That is Udela platform. Remember when Udela said that you should follow him on that platform? Unless you forget, Udela has come out and said, follow me on that particular platform. You guys posted his account number. It's because you guys were busted. Bunch of criminals. Are you ashamed that you guys came out soliciting money and I came out and screenshotted it and posted it and you said it's me? Look at Onachi blackmailing. Onachi lie will always expose you. Who is that original account? Who is the owner of that account? Which name is written there boldly? You are a pure scammer and you will not raise a faden. So you are full of shame. Imioja. A man who go to Telegram to share women's nude. A man who said Udela they should come to inside Telegram to share the woman's nude. A man who cannot be satisfied with his own girlfriend. I don't even know whether he has a girlfriend. Who is busy looking for a place to go and view women's nude. Shame. Look at your fellow nude sharer, your fellow criminal, your fellow scammer, your fellow thief, your fellow 419er, Udela, is in Kuje, relax, and he will go to prison for life. I heard that you came out to say everybody should relax, be in a good spirit. Which good spirit? Friday will still come, Udela will still not come out. Go and mark my words. Like I said, let me keep on promising you so you will not forget, because I can see you are doubt. You are an educated fool. Those that claim that you are educated, but you are an educated fool. No common sense. You don't even operate with your common wisdom. The wisdom is profitable to direct all your footsteps, but you lack it. Everything that has to do with you now, anybody that's supporting you guys lack wisdom. The same thing you guys said that Nigerian people are doing to you guys is the same thing that Udela will come out 24/7, sat down under his miserable seat that he cannot change. Every day 24/7, wishing another person to kweme, and now other people are paying you with the same coin. You are here crying. You are nothing but a fool. They said I will not be using those bad things when it comes to private parts. Look at it. Very, I don't know which word to use and qualify you. You was busy telling Udela to come to Telegram so you can view Ogechi Igbo. Knowing fully well that you live in a developed country, that thing has nothing to do with Igbo. It's a lapse. You will go in there and be clapping for Udela. Come, let us go and watch Igbo Negi. Eh? Go and watch Igbo Negi. You're no longer sniffing Igbo Negi. You're sniffing in Igbo Negi. You're no longer going to Telegram to go and sniff at Negi. Go there. You're no longer telling you and the Opotoles and that Udela, useless boy. You guys are no longer going there. You're no longer going there to open that your nose to go and sniff. Yeah, Abari Unegi. I am talking to you. You swan. Udela is not broken. Udela is finished. Udela is finished. Go and mark my words. Write it down. Udela cannot say, or if you like, bring the Deji that failed in politics. Deji and Shole is my friend. I don't want to go that far. Deji that failed in politics. No youth can relate with what he's saying. A failed politician is a lawyer. A broke-ass failed politician that couldn't even defend his own political career would defend a felony, a bandit, a criminal, a nuishiara, a human trafficker like Udela. Are you not? Iwonyara. Eh? Go and wahala negi. Sini fruje in Telegram. You're no longer coming to Telegram. You and that useless Opotoless. Now, I go talk who's giving it to him woto. A very useless. Let me tell you. From there, please, I would like you to go to my page. Ogechi Okeke Njaka and the woto. This woto for life. I posted Apostle Suleiman. The day I came out, I was supporting Apostle Suleiman. People were busy saying, guys, I'm going to touch bases before I go straight to my point, because there are a lot of things are happening on this blue app. So you need to touch bases. Please bear with me. All I needed to do is just to share the program. Click love and share. Click love and share. Tag your, and I am happy one of my followers said that, okay, I would like to give you 1 million to share for your followers. Much I'm not sharing yet because they don't share my program. Keep it. Yes, okay, anytime I'm ready, I should let him release the money. Share no wahala. You guys don't share my program and you want me to give you, now lie. Will get there mad again. Ashi, is your, okay, let me block you, Mohammed. I get out of here. Singapore. I'm not that the freeze that allow you. Show me Department of Agriculture. Oh. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello? Hello, sir. Hey, how are you? Onyem. Yes, so because all the can petition na be an office, because I would like you to look into it, because when you petition got one of our Igbo brother, because I'm a chama organ live program, because yeah, because I'm a sender again. Yeah, I should not submit the petition na EFCC for investigation, because I'm a boggy later, because yeah, thank you. Okwuluora, you need to call me as soon as possible. Okwuluora, you need to reach out to me as soon as possible, because all the very important. You know, let's see how connected this black dark man is. Let's see how sophisticated you are. You see this game you started. When I go see, even Okwuluora, you need to call me, and I need to connect you with the right people. So you forward your. Can I do some petition? Why all these people that I want to petition you? You want to go? Yeah, you know be chaff person they tell you. Onya wonye haka. I tried another meeting I had a speaker, but I had missed with somebody I was chatting. Now let me go back to the talk I'm talking. Now listen to me. I'm really this. Where am I? Can somebody let me before I pick up this call? Because where I was. I check. When I case him to touch now before I die. Oh God. Can somebody remind me? Because when I case him to touch. And when I case him to oh, Jesus Christ. Saga. 1 million. Some of you that don't want to share. I'm going to get them with billionaires, secret billionaires that watches me. No be talking, no be mouths. That is why when people say, Ogechi, you will not raise 10 kobo. You will not raise 1 naira, just they look them, they laugh. Can you touch somebody that is above your generation? You cannot raise 1 million. You cannot raise 2 million. You cannot raise 3 million. I still raise them in front of you. And when you raise it, they deny. So the person called me, okay, if I no love you, in fact, waiting I gain. I want to give you 1 million. I said, no, just hold the money now, because if the money enter, go use them, do something else. Hold it until they start sharing every post, every video, everything. They cannot just be eating for free. Or I will share it to those that have been supporting me for years. You feel me? That is how it works. You want to go? Now, let me dab into one useless omega. Or should I have omega who's smart or omega again? Now, bring your useless old fool here. Because, you see, I'm going to touch many people. That omega stupid fool here. I heard that you ran a program and you posted my picture. You posted it unegi. You are very useless. Number one is that you're not man enough. Your own is that you are not even competent enough. You are not man enough to stand by Dudela that you have been supporting for years. Just a little arrest. You can't even stand as a man and defend Dudela. Now you're running helter skelter. You talk you've been in palace of fools, you demon. You guys are the reason why Ken is where he is now. And because you are incompetent, you are not man enough. When you were busy supporting Ken, hiding on the fake account, telling Ken, carry they go, move on. This, are you not man enough? Can't you be man enough and go to Senegal and book up a ticket as a man you are? Because all of you work many. Those are looking for click and pay. Don't you see where other men are making monies? I only say this. Did you watch J-Pack video? They are your fellow Igbo men. They are not hopeless like you. You are incompetent as a man. In our bitch, you go Facebook as at your age. How old are you? Are you a boy? Your spam is destroyed because you are old. You are a very useless man. Omega stupid smart. If you don't do saga, it will be one negi. If you don't do that saga, it will be jan negi. You see, you don't do saga. You have been in saga. You have been in saga since 2019. Usura negi. You guys are the reason why you guys push Ken to where he is now. How many people are talking about Ken? About Ken, I forget. How many of you that were in that palace of demons supporting Ken, accusing people innocently, disgracing people, lying against people, humiliating people? You useless omega. You are very useless. You are not man enough to take a flight ticket. The boy you guys have been pushing. Oh, Saga this person, I'll give you 20,000. Saga this person, I will give it. Oh, Saga man pass man. Oh, Saga Okwuluora. Oh, Saga Ogechi. Oh, Saga. Where are you? Because you are a weak man. Weak man that came to Facebook and what do you do? What is your occupation? Omega stroke smart. Omega stroke dumb. What is your occupation? You cannot occupy. Those that are fighting in the church. Look at you. You don't have handwork. You are incompetent to nurture a wife. It can only one. It can only take a patient man. A man in the tolerance. It is difficult to handle. Do you know that? Don't you think that all these people are divorced is because of some men are not competent enough to handle one? Can you handle a woman? You like look at. Your age, you can only get click like you follow. Click, pay me. Have you ever seen any of my platform I'm receiving money? That is not them because I am making my money. Run businesses that pay daily in Nigeria. You were a useless man. Tell you with my food check, you can't ever destroy again in all round. American citizens ankage wuru, Nigerian citizens ankage wuru, man ankage mana. You just a useless man. Those that gathered in one forum supported Ken for years. Let that boy to doom now. Even Ken got who home the way I'm going to Nigeria. He think it's a joke. He think it's a joke. That decided to carry people come out. Una go see him. You are very. I want to reply that your messed up video. Look at you, a old fool that hanged on that palace of fools. Una to turn them mad on your no. Ogechi is this, Ogechi is that, and you think the reverse will not be the case? All of you must collect. You're not defending Udela. You're no longer coming out with a full chase to defend your fellow stupid fool, Udela. You're no longer doing it. Are you not competent enough anymore as a man to stand and defend that monster you nurtured called Ken? Akunu mereoji were a monster overnight. Akunu mereoji bia into problem. Carry go, I will give you 50,000. Carry go, I will give you 10,000. You have been on top of Unyu Shidekage. A bomb bastard de kake. A man may be pay other Igbo men now go and watch J-Pack. A man have Igbo men that merit our respect. I can't give somebody like you my respect. My flush shy me toilet if the mama got to man you have that respect. You don't want it if you are not worthy for me to respect you because you don't deserve it. You were incapacity, somebody respect again. You were a demon, hide under one can. Perpetuated your evils. And now you want to call me? You insulted in Negi. Your old useless mother was a person you tagged her picture and insulted. Even in Negi insults. Because you were a disgrace to manhood. If you are man enough, you wouldn't have come online. Can't you see how this Imi Ojo, that useless Imi Ojo, no England, did defend the good dealer? At least I will give him credit for still maintaining his stand. Where are you? In Ole, you are mini papa. So you cannot stand. You cannot stand at the test of time to defend this your useless Abu dealer. That was because you're not man enough. You're not man enough. You are weak. Weaker vessels, ranting. You don't get to talk. You won't yara. Make Ishi. Idiot. If you know Saga me up one naked, you are very hopeless. Look at the idiots that have been on that palace of fools sponsoring Ken for years. Because they know they're on Facebook. Poor man that couldn't feed his family. And then fed there like you. Oh man, I told me about him. Come she get men like you now. Men will get hearts with a day. Men will be men. I won't want to get up. Hold on, let me see what I'll call my husband life. Give me men, woman, men in another country. And Harry noticed when you talk about men, men mount now you follow. Men mount you follow. We nothing. No, quarry. Come on, shut the fuck up and close your mouth. Men mount you follow. Men here. My husband don't know this country how many years. But on him with all the militaries need to put her. Not very soon, I don't know. As satisfied na FBI list. One man to shut up. There are some Igbo men that defend their country. Able had your head leave for fingerprints. And I put down up the one yara. Come on, come on, get out for original Igbo men. That's check and banyo hitter because can you this man woto idiots. Foolish thing when I'm talking you talk. Come on, get the shut fuck. My footprint, my fingerprints. People will know that. They protect their family. Their family, everlasting history. No, but that is what you call man. And then school, you know, go. Teach the job, work it up. People with their identity. Men in a cook, gane cook. Come to go to your fellow men in Nigeria. Happy good in the Canadian representing Igbo. Ndeno na history book. Ndeno na history book. You know na history book. Who are you? You wonyara. Men not sacrifice for anything. Men ejipo bilo akon. Come on, get out shimmy who for isa. You know what? Bia no negi ko wono. Idiot, foolish man. Jamele Madimo get pick a call now. Let me call him life, bitch. Give every man in amount and give sacrifices. Save lives. Leave for identity. Leave for fingerprints. Idiots. Rubbish. Igbo man in Ekwo. Come on, go hide your local face. Ibra social media paper saga. Have you seen an Igbo man na chuego? Have you seen an Igbo man in a chuego? Name me hetiagu. That's it here down na wono. O him japunu wokamu miri. How will you know the definition? Without parekruge. Come on, go sit down. Come on, Michelle. When men are talking, you don't talk, you shut up. Come let me what him. Hold on. Let me call him. Can you manage a man in amount to not now on Diego? Useless things and not coily. You won't. Stupid thing. So catch like a break or pick or have a failed. And then sorry. What have you done for Nigeria? More or less, I make identity. Hello, babe. Wait a minute, Many mount. You follow man. Many mount. You be pa. Ojegu. Now I get kuleta. Let me leave you. You don't see him. That's men that represent on them with the last name no Putohano. Come on, get out and go arrest or say so. Many mount you follow. Igbo man put identity. Can you identify your identity? You want yara. Yes, come on, get behind me or say so. Get behind me, Wonyara. People are talking, you shut the fuck up and go and rest. Ejikere, this your locality, this your stupid locality. Then okpu. You can't even stand to defend it. They are useless deportee. A useless deportee. You can't even stand and defend it. Mount no protect human's life with their life, sacrifice for everything. I want family, first citizen of this country. Food chase. What can you achieve? What have you to offer? Come on, go and sit down. When we identify original Igbo men, don't even talk. Idiots, man, a man to follow. Always rant and oya. Go to Unegi. Come on, get out of here, son. Idiots. When I pull a shopu, I will talking rubbish. Oh, anywhere, you leave fingerprints, you leave footprints. So, Adam Hime in your country. Now record book, Dr. Vitalis Njaka, military guy representing. With his first class Ojiri enter, you won't know. Come on, get behind me or say so. People are talking, you talk. Guys, confess, you can't go that Omega, useless man. He will train on. Come on, go, General. When you undo Dela and all of them, man, now, have you ever seen my husband sit down talking on social media to reply who? You won't. Come on, shut up, Omeshano. You know, the people that bring disgrace to Igbo. And I'll call you. Come call him Jiribiano Buddha. Come call him Jiribiano. Actually, address that useless man. Anything you come. He was a very hopeless man to insult her. You were a very useless man to insult her. You have been supporting Ken. Ken insulting everybody. You can't even use this your hopelessness. But Ken did wrong. Gonna blame Marco. Ken came out. Wish you the touch of because of your brain dead, You can't come out and condemn me Aru. And again, God you were I can stop at Makachineki for one neki. You are a very, very hopeless man indeed. You are. When you support to China, lead Yaya to astray. Now he's in Senegal jail. You can't even go there and bail him. You want to tell him, please, and we be who know. Did you see Apostle Suleiman? I think actually that lady warrior 10 million, and they look for every blogger Bruya delete here. Majority of you guys, this will be on a story very soon. Go bigger than you know, Papo. You want to go? Because you guys are animals in Nigeria. You guys need a very hard hand DJ 3 to you. Don't mess with beyond control. So people used to use force on Una. And it control how we control animals. Without it, none of you will learn a lesson. This one Daddy G.O. Let me play his video. He's not going crazy because of animals are supporting him. Have you ever seen somebody behaving madly like this thing you call the Ezak? Eh? Have you ever seen? Let me show you how a madman is behaving. Taking off his clothes. Now, madness is real. And the Daddy G.O. The Daddy G.O. Your messed up, brainless Daddy G.O. The choir. Oh, you prove him. You prove him. Ara ishibara be like you prove him. You prove him. The bandana so because biog. You prove him. Look at Ndara. Ndo to mega smart. Oh, this is the kind of man I'm with. They are director. They are main master. Onyara. They are main director. They are follow. They are mentor. They are leader. Their leader. This is their mentor. Their mentor. Their mentor. Who cannot buy at the same motor? Their director. Chereme shift to about Pamma. I'm a chaparama. Cherere by Hopamma. Where is that knife? Chere? I'm a bopper. I'm a chapadu. And where copper hapata? Geba hopum. When I see. Geba put together hope to drama. Geba hoshing with the amma. I'm a chapamma. Where is that knife? Oh, I'm a chapatama. Onyara mechapa amma. Oje tubu ndo otu ya. Oje tibu oje finish ndo otu ya. O mechara bute mma. Onyara chaga oga no psych. No na psych I may evaluate. Because click love and like. They are reporting my page. Click love and like. Because click love and like and share the program, please. Now let me go to because any dream that video. Mary, I got your message where you were saying that nature China chonena for me, Mary. If she didn't on our job, Mary, if she didn't catch on money back, hey, Chineke, oh, who sent you? Mary, Chaware Bochi. I don't know where you were saying, now you will come for me after you touch Gogi. Ogechi. Get it? Come on, get out of here with Vega. Eh? Did I hear that Ishi, okay, Mary, Ogechi, I will come for you. I will, after I finish, I will just look at that. Like about legi. A Daisy, you know, Easy Empire, the one that is a dry skin, the one that is dry, yeah, Chichi Francisca, the one that is a dry, the one that is dry, okay, Mary, first and foremost, come to get a little warm, if you need shaking that, ring warm over overnight, you share hair, look at it, we my hair white, you're white and that sticky channel on your head. I mean, those your unfortunate dirtiness. Am I more lies? Am I more lies? Make sure you go to. What they call it? I don't know whether are you not looking at yourself? That ring warm white lights abala gishi imezike mad woman. Imezike onyara putara na imakona ibuto tinishi. Ihukura bed itina. Ihukura environment again. That even in that collect na Nigeria kagema. That your situation is beyond recognition. Mary, if you know Sagami, you know that issue on your bodo makono, on your bodo bekono. Why is that useless obodoless man running? Mary, if you don't come out to Sagami, if you don't come out to Sagami, you know, I've been ignoring some of this stupidity, but to your own, because some of them you were porn scammer. If you did not come out to Sagami, I will drag you. You go Sagami, you go Sagami. Agame shi from Aka Magi Yishiga Mejaka Bogia license that he tunishi Apogi by force. Did I hear you was conducting a program, you was threatening me? You won't and threatening me threatening. Are you mad? The sana who now what? When everything follow. You are a porn scammer. You were a porn criminal. That's who you are. You went and collected almost 80% of the money from people. Now you're calling Daddy Freeze. You and Daddy Freeze, who is the porn scammer? You and Daddy Freeze, who is the originator of scammer? You that went and collected almost 80% of the money that is COS is free. You know the game you're playing. You are playing a game for people not to see that you are the main scammer. That is why every day you come out, you keep screaming. You keep shouting. Ibe kariala debriefed. Ibe kariala ndene mad. Ibe kariala nde mad. Can you hear the secret of this happening a bay? Mary, you are the main criminal here. Iwe shibu ikri. Iwe shibu anene pon one. Have you returned these people who made COS, you collected their money? Did you ever tell them that you're collecting percentage on the money you collected from them? Did you ever tell them that the money you're collecting your own percentage of the money? How much was your percentage? Over 10 million naira. And you're crying, so everybody will be facing Okwuluora. While you are the perpetuator of scammer in the whole thing. You lied. Mary, I don't keep that's your madness. Come marry here, Biri. I will hold this on a look. I got my nigga coming here, if you not call me here, if you not call me here, I'm a do how much ganya. Look at an idiot. You are not a victim, you are an agent. You are an agent that collected your high percentage on the whole scamming business. And you want everybody to shut up, not to call you a man. So you are calling Okwuluora every day and we will not call you, knowing fully well that the money did not go to Okwuluora. Knowing fully well that I'm going to destroy Okwuluora. You know that is Madam Flo that you guys based in England together is supposed to be fetching for. You and Madam Flo is a punk criminal in the game. You know Madam Flo, you guys did the game together. You cannot fool nobody. You and this very dark man, if you guys they do so now on a business, we don't give a fuck. All this maintain cry, you they cry. We don't they hear the cry from time memorial. All this, please, I need that. Any dream that crocodile tear say on my WhatsApp. And just see Bakogu, don't you have the video? Any dream I can play because all your ringtone on this blue app. Don't you need deceive? Who are you trying to deceive? Are you deceiving people that are well learned than you? Are you deceiving people that are dumb like you? Eh? In a program, I said, you are not the victim. I'm not sympathizing with you. You are not the fucking victim, honey. You are the main perpetrator of the whole atrocity. You are the main criminal of the game. You are the mastermind. You run the show. You are the actor of the movie. In a BG, after Imechana Egogiga get to me. No, you a fool, baby. You, Amami, you, see, I'm ever ready for Saga unless I don't want to talk to you. I am ever ready for Saga unless I don't want to talk to you, honey. Unless I want that, yeah, but you not Guinea, Mary. As well as you may put on an innocent man, Okwuluora has no connection with this. Just that is quite unfortunate that all of you gathered in one place. Use the WhatsApp for good and the bad. You guys appreciated the good, but one thing came out of it, and you guys want to use it to crucify Okwuluora, and we say no to it. We say no to your barbaric dubiosity and the malicious character in this game. It's not gonna work. All this your cheap pilot, do you who downloaded that video? Send it to me on my WhatsApp. Why did you delete it? Why did you delete it? When solution is about to take place, you deleted a video where you were shedding crocodile tears. Iwonyara. But other people were in their pages, people that you guys support. You go to their platform, you guys support them. We are busy criticizing Okwuluora, and you are liking it. And you said nobody should call your name. Mary, because of that statement, your name will be ringing bell in my mouth. Let me block you. I get out of here. Let's shout and me would make it. You can't escape this game you're playing. The wise people should be asking you, where is the percentage you collected? How much did you collect on each individual? You said you want to do the COS for. Oh, thank you for the star, my darling. Thank you for the star. I mean, appreciate. How much did you collect? How much was your benefit? You collected how much? And you want to tag Daddy Freeze? Daddy Freeze is a businessman. A very dark man decide not to use his page and be collecting free Osho, free massage, free. That is on a business. That is your business. Daddy Freeze is a man who runs business. Who every consultation makes, because if he have that video, send it to me. I heard that she deleted it. Why are you deleting a video that you're proud of? Why are you deleting a video that you made? See, all those your sympathetic crocodile tears characters you're trying to perform wouldn't work for us. Because I'm at the game. Nobody will use anybody brain. How much did you collect, Mary? Who gave you the right? You are your brothers, you're crying for your brothers. By when you scammed your own people. The things that they made for free. The COS, you and the Madam Flo. That woman, that's hardened. That woman is so hardened. That Madam Flo is so hardened to an extent that you and Mary are in the beginning of Madam Flo are the same. Nobody will tell me otherwise in this game. And the game we won't play, we don't go keep quiet. Mary, bring out all the percentage you don't know, okay? Bring out that percentage you swallowed. Simple. How much did you collect? I have to add up and down. How much did you collect? Look at how wicked you are, Mary. People that does not have papers, people that sold their lands, people that sold their cars, you still have the mind to collect percentage on their head. People that don't have what so-called COS to do what? To get a job. You know they don't have the job. You know they still some. You still collected 10 million from them or each go again. Who is the hardest one? Who is the highest pure criminal here? You said you are crying for the victims. But you had the mind to collect their money, knowing fully well that they are struggling. Why didn't you do it for free and tell them to pay me? Pay me money later on. But you still have the mind. People will not get paper. I know how hard it is in this country when you don't have paper to work. Then if I want to collect you to somebody, I still collect money. Am I not the wicked one? Am I not the most dubious? You use them. Your jobo. Now there's no brand crocodile tears. Eh? Garbage in a brand crocodile tears. Now, Mario, bring it the fuck on. It is you the mad. One day, I just don't care. Aramo already. Here somewhere. Let us face it, baby. Here he can neji come on to DJ Kram Mapata. That thing he get come on iji Karamama, ije negamo ultimatum. Ije negam warning. That the phrase is an innocent man in this game. The man is very intelligent. He has foreseen this case. He has seen through you that he were pure scammer. Then why are you telling that the freeze to delete that video? If you know that you have nothing hiding. So you want everywhere you go. So people will be so daft to minister, to digest your stupidity, your lies. No, honey. People got to ask questions. You were so intimidated and you were so angry because people in that platform did not support you. People are wise. And you came back to the freeze where you paid the money. Let's assume where you paid money, you still want that thing you paid for to be deleted. Who is fooling who here? Who the heck is fooling who here? I mean, this is a 100% scam. You scam people. You guys are just using so people will be paying. No, baby. It doesn't work like that. You will end smarter than you. You will end the wisdom. When people that they just look and monitor you through yourself. Because you are crying. You are using this Choco Yoshi, the main criminal himself. The one who want to poison Okwuluora. The one Okwuluora went to his house. That the freeze. Thank that the freeze. Yeah, let me give the freeze the main topic. The same code Choco Apamumiri Aboshi Doranya. Legile Yananga Lepangaro la Eni ne Doroya. Apamangere Aboshi Apa diabetes. Apowa Apuro Apoekwere. Jealousy. Envy. Back I'm here. Look at him here. And look at the thing is digesting all over his body. Look at how he looks now. See what Okwuluora matter has brought you to. Daddy Freeze, listen to me. These so-called people that are fighting Okwuluora was the same people Okwuluora went to their house in England. They cooked pepper soup and poisoned this guy to Kweme. Only God to save this guy. Go and verify. I am not lying. It's the truth. This is not about saga. This is not about changing anything. This is the pure fact. If you want me to come to your show and give you the part of the story, I am ready to come. They are trying to destroy your name. You can invite me. Don't worry, Okwuluora, people may advise him not to come because of the legal part of it. Invite me. Let me come and tell you who these people are. They've been doing this thing for years. But just quite unfortunate that people like me said no, it will not work again. You see how they are trying to damage your name, calling you a thief, calling you a criminal. This is who they've been. This thing did not just start today. And they want everybody to accept this merry criminal act that's crying more than the bereaved. All these things are lies. They are looking for every means to bring Okwuluora down. In all means, they are perfect. Like you normally say that you're not perfect. Me too, I disagree with you when it comes to church matter. But you see, on this particular issue, that the Freeze, we stand with you. Because people die with their faith. People worship their faith. I respect my faith. You want to go? So, all these people that he ran to, that they ran to VDM, try to give themselves glory. VDM cannot handle this case. God in heaven bear me witness. He will abandon this case in due time. When they, even VDM never see anything. He never see Chakam Makachi. Daddy Freeze, I heard you when you was running your program. You said that you don't want to say it because of the victim. Let those victims come out and clear Okwuluora's name. They cannot be hiding under this Choka, this Mary, the born criminal herself. They will come there. And they will say another thing, and they will come, please don't bring us out so we will not be deported. Let them come out on any program and said, we are not involved in what they are doing. By then we will understand. They should not be playing double sword. Don't be, see, that the Freeze will not be deceived. Any victim that know that he will get in trouble, if this thing starts today, they should willingly, they should proudly come out with their full chest. Make a phone call. We are the victim. My name is so-so. I am so-so. We are not involved in Mary's scam. How Mary trying to blackmail this? We are not among. We are not going to support this. They cannot be playing double sword. They will seek for sympathy this side and go this side to seek for validation. You know, that if it's anything you will do, in your capacity, in your level, please, my brother, they are trying to dent your name. I see they have been calling you criminal. You're a scammer. That is how somebody become a criminal. That is how I became a criminal in this blue app. If you don't fight tooth and nail to clean your name, these people will dent you for life. Do whatever it takes. Let somebody who commits the crime, which is Mary, to be jailed. Nothing like getting victims into trouble. Nothing like bullying them. Nothing like doing anything. Do what you're supposed to do to protect your name, or they will throw it to the mud. If it takes you to start contacting UK authority on this COS scam, do it as soon as possible. Do not relent. Please. You think they're going to stop here? No. The VDM that hate you with passion will lead them to drag you. So you need to clear your name. Report it to the authority if you have any connection to do that. Don't leave any stone unturned. Let the heat be over. Let it be hitting everybody. They have dragged this young man to the mud. They have dragged Okwuluora. Mary is the main scammer here. Mary, how much did you collect from our people? How much is the COS? If the government said that the COS is for free, why did you collect percentage? Why did you collect money? Both the Zimbabwe guy, both the Philo, both the Mary, they are the main three suspects in this game. They collected the money. Let them face the law. So no, that's the phrase. Nobody should come and tell you the victims will be affected, the victims will be deported. No. No, you should not listen to that trash. This is a game. They have planned it to destroy Okwuluora. And the way these things are going now, no stone should be left unturned. Do anything that you can do. But the people that work at UK immigration, but they should hear this COS matter. They should hear it. Let's be taking it up there. So everybody that are involved, both money that collected, government will ask Mary, why did you collect a percentage? Why something that we are issued for free? Why are you using government to dupe individuals? Why are you using government to dupe individuals? That is the thing. Mary, who told you to collect money from people that you said that they are less privileged? You guys call them less privileged. You know that they are less privileged. Why did you collect money from them? You know that they are not making money. They are selling properties. Who benefit from the less privileged? Who benefit from people that are looking for paper to go and look for work? Only you, Mary. Only you crying. Only you shedding crocodile tears. Only you threatening people that you come and saga, they will not call your name. You are a liar. That saga, you will saga me, honey. And try to fix yourself before coming to saga me. Remove all those lies. Remove those number one, your own, you a devil. You went to deity. You summon people into ROC, into deity to punish them. You are mean. You have gone extreme miles to make sure you punish people in this course of movement. Make sure you get yourself fucking prepared. I went to PhD saga. Look at you. Want to saga queen. Are you mad? You said you will get which money? You are going to jail. So still waiting till the day you get money, you are going to jail. So you need to start the saga now. Start that your miserable saga now. Kai saga, because you saying is when I get my money, I will leave Okwuluora, I will leave this, I will leave this person. Okay, then you are a bastard. Because in money you not getting nothing. That means the saga will not start. You are say it. You want to date it to summon someone to come the person. You want be threatening. Do you know how you look like? Do you really know how you look like? You are nothing but a pure scammer who took advantage of people that needed help at their critical time. You collected money, honey. And now you are never a victim. You are an agent, you are a scammer. You collected their money. Without looking back, without thinking. These people has no paper. These people have no paper. How can they make money? And you did not tell them, please, I'm doing this. So after you pay me, as soon as you get your COS, you collect money and you pay me. You didn't consider their current situations. In a country, they want to secure their stay. Are you not the men who, are you not the men ekwensu? Are you not the, any dream that video, whoever that downloaded that video, please, wherever, or you went to bloggers that downloaded it, please download it and send it to my WhatsApp. This program is not ending anytime soon. This movement of scammer is not ending anytime soon. Daddy Freeze, please, I am begging. Anything you will do, anything you will do on your own reach, please submit this case. See, very dark man is somewhere threatening to take Okwuluora through this. Why can't you do the right thing, Daddy Freeze? Why can't you do the right thing? Who are you? Who are you looking at their faces? Write to anywhere you want to write. Run a program. Tell people that are in different offices that knows about this COS to start submitting petition. Let everybody start being deported. Who cares? When Mary we are there shouting, when that's Choka Abamu, we are there destroying someone, why didn't they go and tell Choka Abamu, leave this matter? Why didn't they call? Even all of them will be in trouble. Both the ones that gave money illegal, knowing fully well that this thing is for free. Both the Madam Flo that collected money, that is very hard-hardened. Both to Mary that is sharing a crocodile tears. All of them are going in for it. Let justice take its course. Why are we saying because of this, we are not going to do this? We are because of this, we're not going to do this. Mary, you threatened Sister Chichi Francisca. You threatened Daisy. You threatened me. They may keep quiet. You see me? Mary, you see me? You are a goner. You are a goner. You get disappear. Ni memory like a new where ni memory disappear. You won't yara. You say, look at the Chichi, or the Kenya free or one away nako. Is that the only nako? Or the Kenya free or the Kamonga Bella, and look at Daisy, Diana, Dinaya, or she not to Yana Ishi. Even Onyele Shiganya, Onyele your appearance, man, Ugi, Onyele didn't gain yourself know that, or when you hear called Ugi Shi. Because from the abundance of the heart, the mouth to speak at. From looking at you with the Ngongo Aribunishi, I got about that will give you a shibi. Look at Ikogi one Ibegono. Ikogi Utensiono. Look at you. Ichikura from your head. Ishi brute 100 years. Lies and apere. No, they spam ujuri. Gile there, gile shiga. He white aho coil. Always spam, I will ginishi coil a chana dos hair. Always spam, undi kogi wurugin. In a put out wine, you won't yara. Onye leg self gaman, onye leg visualize yala bi ugere. You are a very hopeless woman. You are a very hopeless idiot. You see why I'm telling you this? You know, I've not been this rugged on you. I've not been this rugged on you because you threatened me. I've not been this rugged on you because actually, don't I run a program? I'm not blaming you. But now if you don't come out, actually, me commit that suicide. Because you deserve to wallow weki. It mean somebody when no mercy for people then we have collect that kind of money and you think Ogechi will mercy you? You a madman. You a madman. Who is on your body? Who is you? Who be chop up? On your no. On your body, Hannah, on Makanakana, if you don't call them that thing. Well, you look at me, I'm a very ugly woman, and I chip and get a man. I don't do makeup. I never together your fake nails in it. Why not? It's in a fake nails. Why she shiggy ruogina people we're very clean. Look at you. I don't put fake nails. I don't live this rubbish lifestyle. Simplicity. But they come on but gamma na wine, you know. That come investments, gamma na wine, you know. And someone else upon your fake nails. Still you shiggy. Ishi para 458. You can remember she Maragana Saga. The same Ishi Ibu. How many months ki get boo? Abas Pam Wurugini Ishi. Very useless. I'm walking a beshi. KKK me. And actually Daisy. And yeah. One day the highest nigga come. I get you a criminal. Hey, it's no problem. But call me. I can't give pet to one. Can you one? The anu sugar. Instead of you to be considerate of the things you have done. Can I see mechagi nkana obum nkana bonya so Obum did not tell you guys the truth. Now you guys want to come after her. Obum stated the way it should be. Obum again that useless choka bamu who watch in the day. Obum kiddos. Now one lady, one lady again, because you know one gets at these people, what they're saying is true. Stand on the truth. What the fuck are they? Ndoshi. The main criminal. They murder themselves. Ndobu mato wapara. Otirin dem madu shinangri. Even about Oyibo, tirin madu shinangri. Ona from where Nigeria. Are you not the men ekwensu? Obum, kudos to you. That is what you call a woman with her full chest. You stand and stand your ground. Don't get where Joku. And Mary talk show. I heard that you guys came out. I watched them. Somebody was telling me she had kiddos. Why are you guys gonna skip? Who are they? Uneka. After all, you guys live in a better country than their scamming country. Doshin and Dama. The main criminals. Abasi hankete. Ana do Okwuluora. Because the guy Ogechi Unana. Imagine a choka amu. Onyo ya pani hupan papimo. Look at the good coordinator. Okwuluora na ungamu. Are you seriously? And all of you, kudos to all of you. This is the kind of things. Stand and stand with him. You live in a better country. You're doing better than the Ndamusu Shinama. They must tell you what to do. Look at Toyene with Teruno. Claim with Teruno. Ibera, where fake nails so. Apina she Genishi. But he couldn't use that fake nails to sanish give mini. Sapo Aribunaho. Then I korobish. If you don't bring that saga you want to give me on, okay? If you don't bring it on, Nyara, come on, go one day man will you what says. Baby G saga threats. Look at an idiot. I was trying to subpeddle her criminality. Yabana koinyo. In a percentage, you people who not on the vulnerability situation. You collected their national CEOs for free. How much did you collect? That should be the main opu here. And I can't talk about I can't talk about. You live in England, you and Choka and Tenapamoshi. You guys live the Obumado, Tirimatumshina Pepesupu. Yana 1 year. You guys cannot match Ngari Kuwe. But also Madam Funa some of the money. Yet you have not returned. It's an return on us some victims. No for your kuruku. But are those people that you claim that he returned with the money. Bring them. Let us hear from them. Let's hear from them. We want to hear from them. You tackle Ezuku, you tackle Waja. Because it will Queen or Elizabeth. You that is the main scammer. I guess I have to say to Daniel, you know, Neki Shobo. I have to see King Neki Shobo. Neki shop every day. Then pick on any dream that video Jiribapa. Can we have emotional blackmail? About the people, Shina Okwuluora and emotional blackmail. Okwuluora Petra Kuchoku. You know that solution is coming. You started shedding fake tears. Your fellow criminal people are not supporting it. Ndoshi na people ndoshi. The men porn criminals. Na people ndoshi. Come on, go and shovel that rubbish crocodile fake tears for me. Each and I guess Chichi Francisca, the can Chicago na page ya. Chichi Francisca. Go age ya. Go and see her na ebony black. The most beautiful ebony black. Ahwanya ho or soon as you go and see her one wear body black. Black beauty. Education top notch. Brain chineke. Why already happened here. Nke luru na owudi. This one luru na owudi. Ino na didi ko nya alu. Nke luru na owudi. Nke divorce the man is not better off. Nke no na owudi. Only divorce ka gemma. Because I read because Didi will not allow you to use these people condition to scam them. Like Chichi Francisca. Nya. Desi Empire. Digana anagi. Yana digina na. Nya. Oh, desi baragin kat. Oh, the gijikara na Ishi. I chineke mana wana chineke. Nke wuchako. This one wuchako ono. None of a bullet about war. No, don't dare me. But we will keep asking you questions. You are not above the question we are asking you. We will keep asking you. How much were you able to collect from people? And in the first place, why did you collect such amounts while the COS is free? Huh? Why did you collect money? Collect money that is millions. Not a one, not 2 millions. I mean, you want to cover up so people will not know that you are the men. That is why you are screaming. You're screaming. That is why you're screaming. Raising your voices on top of the world, screaming. I will not keep quiet. You are going to jail. You're not getting no money. I want you to go back. You stole people's money illegally. You stole people's money. Guys, you can request to join. I'm gonna make close. You are free to request to join. Let's deliberate on this topic. Request to join if you want to come live. If you want to join me live, you can vividly request. Because okay, me rule at 12 call. Thank God that's the gum ready. You know? You can request to join. Can you deliberate on this matter? Mary, you are the main criminal. What put you got them mad? How many percentage? Why must you collect percentage to help your fellow Igbo people? Why must you collect percentage to help your fellow Igbo people that need help? I don't know. Somebody trying to request, but the network is not. I think your network is failing. Somebody trying to request, but I think your network is failing. Why must you collect money from your own Igbo people to help them? Help. How many people do Bodam indirectly in that catalog? I did not charge them a dime. How many people, Mama Chala Opu, people did I collect dime? How many souls? Ibaribandi up to destination. The Diana Hane, away AC Empire. And look at you. You are the main nation. You are the main African nation. Elegane nation. Guys, if you want to send a request, so join me now. Woto for life. I got the page here. Woto for life. No grief for anybody. Join him. Now woto for life. So you request, you want to request on the other side. I may not see it. You record that people are requesting that see it. But they request this woto for life. No grief for anybody. Come down here. So you can switch your this thing to join me there. Hey, when they request, your network is not active. You can request to join. Anybody can request to join. Hello.
Hello, OG. Good evening. I joined them late. Hi, I'm here. I don't want a notification or see so.
Facebook is suppressing everybody's views. Kind
Yeah,
of
even
problem.
views.
Yeah,
So it's
Facebook is
okay.
suppressing everybody. Everybody affects.
I'm not been
Affect.
in life for the past 1 hour. Man, no, okay, just between 2 to 5 minutes. Yeah, just maximum 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for back watch before now, okay? But immediately I joined, I saw Alice wrote daisies and I don't comment email keketa. I want to just address all these nuisance on social media, okay? Mary, I will call your name over and over. Even from the beginning of this COS, I've been standing on a particular thing, and that thing I've been standing on is actually what is about to happen now. I've been telling you guys to report to the authorities. You knew you stole from people. That is why you couldn't go to the police. All the interviews you've granted on social media, you kept lying that you reported to your lawyer. Your lawyer is handling it for 6 good months, Mary. Record this, my part. I am waiting for your nonsense talk. Record this, my part. Use it to run a live video. Girl, we have all your videos properly saved and we are writing petitions. So many people are sending petitions. We have the address now to write it. Okay? You're going to face the law, whether you like it or not. It does not matter how you rant, how you cry, how you scream, the nonsense you talk. Mary, girl, your bedroom alone where you sleep every night shows how dirty you are. All round. I don't indulge in useless saga that does not make sense. That's why I went to school. I am not an illiterate. I wasn't smuggled into Europe. I was married legally, traditionally, in the church properly. I gave birth to my daughter legally. My daughter, do you understand that? I am not your likes, your types that they smuggled from Libya to Europe. Finally, you guys found yourself in the UK. Okay, and now you're feeling as if you're responsible. The way you behave on social media, the way you shout, the way you scream, shows that you're a crooked human being. Okay, but I'm not here, Kitana. I can't collect money from anybody, promising them what I cannot give. I can't collect money from anybody on something I know that the government offers free of charge because I know the penalties involved. Do you get that? Okay, I came here personally to address the statement Oge just made because I hate nonsense. When people like you, nuisance like you, are mentioning my name on social media on things that are not irrelevant, inconsequential, that are not important, I will not address it because it's not important. None of you on social media has been to my house before. Nobody on social media that has a page knows my husband, has seen my husband one-on-one before. Nobody has spoken with my husband before. Nobody has been to my house. I have never been to anybody's house. Do you understand? Initially or formally, I wanted to invite people to my house, but social media taught me a lesson. Now, nobody is coming anymore. It doesn't matter what anybody says. You don't know nothing about me. You guys can spill trash, you know, to feel happy because, you know, cyberbullying is a normal thing. But any video you make about me, Mary, I'm going to properly save it. Guys, I'm not following her. I blocked all of them. If any of you see her live, if any of you see her live, bullying me, cyberbullying me, tarnishing my image, my character on social media, help me to save the video and send it to me. Britain is not far from me. I can easily fly to UK and file a report against cyberbullying. Enough is enough. Mary, does we get his trainer COS? Come on, make case. I will start with you. Right now we are filing cases against you. You must report to the UK authorities why you collected money from people in Nigeria back home in Africa. People who don't even know that the COS is not free, it's free of charge. You went and collected and added your own money. It's a crime. That is a crime. You think shouting and calling people names, recruiting nuisance on social media like the Choco Granot and the likes of him is going to save you. Ijiga Kage Kita, public. Have you seen that people are mentioning your name? Did you hear anybody talking about other agents that collected money from people? The answer is no. The reason is because you brought yourself out on social media and people will call your name. You know, one thing we have, the problem Nigerians have is this. You know, majority of Nigerians, sorry to say this, Daddy Free said it this morning, their brains are empty. That is why we continue to have old, lousy people as their leaders. Nigeria can never have a good person who can be productive as a leader, because the youth of Nigeria, majority of them, their brains are empty. They don't use it properly. They don't use their brain. They are not built. They don't develop their intellectual capacities. The only thing they pursue is money. That is all in Nigeria. Nobody is interested in studying, going to school. They don't have value for education. Do you understand that? Do you know why
you can imagine in the sorry, you can imagine in the very dark man they represent.
I'll round up.
I just want to put something to you. So imagine in the very dark man they represent. You can imagine the kind of people they.
Okay, so do you know why most of us went to school and we are proud of it? Because we know what we went to. When we went through going to school. If you think it's easy, you are in the UK where they speak English. Girl, go back to school and get learned. I don't care whether you have a certificate. Go back again and learn. All of you that stay in the UK where they speak English language cannot face me in English language. I live in a country where they speak German language. For the past 8 years now, I get 7 to 8 years now, I don't speak English with anybody here. We speak German language or Igbo with our indigenous people here. But I command
also with German language, with that
German
language.
Okay, so when I'm talking and I'm calling you guys stark illiterate and useless, I say it authoritatively because I know who I am. My husband respects me. After the nonsense saga on social media, what did he crown with? A car. You, Mary, and your colleagues came out on social media and said, I went to a car company to take a picture. I am not poor and wretched as you guys are. My monthly salary divided by 2, you cannot make up to half of it in the UK, even if you're not. UK doesn't pay you guys well. That is why you guys sound so miserable, so hungry, so aggressive. Okay, and you can go to any length to drag people down. We don't do that here in Austria. Most people mind their businesses, okay, and we have human sympathy and conscience. Bring up whatever you want to do. We are going to take it
to an extent our deity.
Because I will visit you in the UK. As you're facing as you're facing this COS scam, I am bringing my own cyberbullying on top. I will use it to set an example. Useless set of people. He came nation with me while where I sleep is better, is clean, is sparkling more than your dirty bedroom. Idiots.
Because
I've been keeping quiet. That means I don't have I've been keeping quiet all this while. Nobody bring it out. Let me finish you. Look at your bedroom. Then you will come out to talk. I cannot sleep on that bed for 5 seconds.
For how many years?
You guys will post your pictures with filter and makeup everywhere. Come out every day on social media with that makeup.
What's it called?
Nuisance everywhere. On our Saga and Facebook and AGR up and down. You guys are going to get to the end of it now. The law is going to be involved in this nonsense. I saw what she pilot the video she made today. I'm so happy. I trust her. Let her make her own report. Some of us are making a report. Let everybody make a report on this issue. Let us see the end of it. We've been keeping quiet for the past 6 months for you guys. What I mean is social media. You collected, you scammed our people with COS, promised to give them COS. The business failed. Instead of you to come out and beg and apologize and tell the Igbo people that you are ignorant, you did not know that it was supposed to be a scam, you now want to divert this thing to somebody who you didn't give money to. Who are you people trying to deceive? Bunch of nuisance everywhere.
Rubbish. Okay. Chima, because my battery I wanted to just say this. And when something that happened here, and I'm a brag about it. You know, I'm a woman. That's a kind of a support from a man. And I'm very proud. The height, na country now. I'm not just.
See her bed. The only way can sushi. Look at every night. See this dirty new dance. See her bed here.
Now, you know, room to the stage that I can put up my documents. Document my documents. Now, naturally, in Italy, naturally, every Nigerian here, that's a great opportunity. Not just that I am a hardworking Italian citizen, I'm also a mother of 3, okay, and well respected. Any angle, I have been opportune to work in almost all the facets, except in the authority, as in Iwe police. I have been opportune to be in the courts, talking with judges, as a name interprets to judges. And I have been opportune to do a lot of things. But Mary, I have never used any of those opportunities to even take one time from any of our people. This present one, this lady called me, she was at the verge of losing it. Because once and you don't have a place for them, the next thing, the social assistants, social help will come in and take those kids from you. Until you find a home, they will give you back the kids. Now I came in. Makobo, I'm still pursuing it. This is our sister. Nyawa Johnny Agwam that she even went to a somehow reputable man. The guy anaya 1,005. Now she told me that what would give Mary? At least he got a man who gave 1,000 because he won guru. Looking at you, he won guru. And not just that he won guru, you are very greedy. You think you can corner people's money and then use someone else's image to cover your crime. Immediately the wrong people. For Chichi Francisca Onafu. As long as that you couldn't man kume, it doing on a trouble. Mary, no, Maggie, Mandi, you on a trouble. I will continue to give it to you guys. Unless man who present I will come and tell the world how useless and how unfortunate Igbos, because I believe that no matter how bad our tribe is, we're very respectable, very intelligent people. And if we go, even though that the freeze is not an Igbo, he even demonstrated that kind of intelligence. For the fact that he asked you a question that you couldn't even answer. I've never seen your face before. I saw you, my sister, Jay washed away those fats. If you are not what I am, you can never be. Whatever you have today, probably a man gave it to you. But because was my sister, always is Oshi, understand me? Oh, he had in a brain. Any place he back. Monarchy Patameri, Lehina Koiri, Monarchy Patana, one office. When you even see the person getting at the man, or some important matters. So what I want to tell you is this: you cannot divert our attention, Mary.
No.
The fact is,
never.
Okay, come on, I've gone pictures. Wait, Chima. Hold on, please. Allow me.
What
If you bring it on now.
because you can't comfortably come out on a social media calling another human being a criminal that has not been sentenced. That has not, you could say, whether allegedly, probably, that you don't know the truth. Okay, as intelligent. Hold on, Chima. Hold on, Chima. Hold on. Me moji otelo moji amu iyo sorry awuru online call. You understand? Also, we are not trans ujo telenamu. Oh, na kaka me. And I don't believe in talking too much. Like I said, you cannot divert our attention, Mary. The attention is on you. At that time, Waja told you this. Every other person called you, say, look, sister, there is a way to resolve this. Look at the extent of disgrace in social media. One who got in I don't do that, sister. I don't even deal with that. I didn't dirty like you. I live in a well-respectable area. Someone who been at the whole flat and you can imagine that. So no na wundoji wera ono. Ndocha ni no eba hapo. So I'm not here to drag myself. If you who I am. Iti mo nyam we bara plane or 200 and something pounds. Ibata Italy, bata Padova. Bata Montagnana, Johonye Uchika. I will tell you. So, but that being said, you cannot run away from this crime. Some people are, their eyes on you, and one of them, we won't allow you go scot-free for coming out to paint an innocent human being a criminal, to make the world look at Okwuluora as Nonya was Roshizu. You were asked the question under the freezing speech feature. You were asked, was anyone paid to Okwuluora? You didn't.
The first question they asked her was, "What is COS?" Somebody that has lived in the United
States
now for years doesn't know what COS is.
Give me that thing. She doesn't even know
exactly.
The money that she does not know what COS is. You cannot define what you use to scam people.
You don't even know the definition of COS. It's tax illiterate.
So, and then there was a question whether there was money given to Okwuluora. Get that. Divert to that question. That man jogging was Okwuluora giving money. It's a question. You were giving money. Flo was giving money, and other agents too. Where are the interests they collected, Mary? From what Flo has recorded, she has been paying people, and also people who were interested with that. Mary, come and tell us how much you have paid the people that you collected money from. The interest at least.
You said that you have paid. We want to hear from them.
Exactly. Or you come out like Flo is doing. You said you are not blackmailing anybody. Let's be very objective here. The objective is when you come out, you state facts. This is the evidence of the money I paid to so people. Simple. But you want me to look at you as only the Masonia's mad? No,
that video I need it.
You said that Okwuluora is using tears. Okwuluora, I don't even Okwuluora self. I mean, I don't know somebody like us so trying Obiani put him be more time that wine and Obi put it. Okwuluora wearing my kind of mind, eh? Next time, mother, he gave the point to accusing fingers. 1 million. Do you love Okwuluora more than I do? You're somebody you love. You are hurting
to destroy the person.
You are hurting every day.
It will have an enemy that waiting to devour. That's who you are.
So, and then you should go and improve in your grammar. That you guys need to see UK, and you don't want to improve in your personal growth. Look at the kind of English in us. Only been a whole United Kingdom or UK, but English, America.
The best English in the world is British English. You guys can't express yourself, and
you can't even express yourself in the normal Nigerian language. Nigerian English in Kiti, Sumudi, of UK. And Nile Chamani, Memonium, Emaskolumga. high school. Do you know whom you are talking to? I'm raising kids. I'm raising majesty. I'm raising 3 wonderful children. Swogi with her brain, not physically. When you meet my daughter, what's there more? So gap first, now you can't divert our attention, Mary. The attention is on the money taken. So if you are so interested on paying the victims, then we should start with you. Just like Flo, go and pay the money that is given to you. And then unless Okwuluora will lie low and let it slide. Okay? You are going to answer to all of them. I'm not interested in taking you out. I wouldn't know Hedika close to me now. Na court of law. Okay? So but don't go bog a rule. And we bog a you don't know whom you are dealing with. On a social media where anything can happen. Anybody can say anything and think they can go scot-free. But that
even
does not end there.
The same bed though. It's not as if it was photo shoots. The same dirty bed. You've never been to my house before. But I'm seeing how dirty you are from the screen.
Just legodi.
I'm seeing how dirty you are. See how uncareful. You in a bedroom. You see load everywhere, no space. How do you breathe in fresh air when you go to rest? You useless people everywhere.
So let's leave Oku for Chima.
We're talking about scam here. We're not talking about Ishi.
Because I'm going to go to Chichi Francisca, the woman, the old, I got the one you
my age. This lady the queen.
So I don't know Chichi come there one of them deal now. Chichi Francisca, I'm going to get in a column and what I'm for you. Type on a Mary,
Chichi is slim. She's slim.
My answer is this. My answer, Mary, my answer to you, you can't divert my attention. I will get the most beautiful woman, and I don't care. I'm him ugly, okay? But the attention is on you, not on Chichi Francisca. I want Chichi Francisca scam on them mother.
Okay,
so I want Chichi Francisca with a commission. So you are the one that we're talking about, and every other person, they're very free to talk about it, including myself.
Unmute yourself.
Especially me. I'm doing some exercises to grow old. I'm doing some more exercises so I can slim down more.
Fat in your body as you're getting old. Chichi Francisca fat.
But that is not the important thing here. And when Chichi Francisca, no? Mary, we are talking about you. Sir, go on, brother.
Because ana m arịọ na arịrịọ ụmụnne m ndị kenwaanyị ihe emebigo ịghọtala ebe a pụtaziri hapụgo okwu a ga-ekwu ya rụzie saga ka a na-agba oge nne m gbadezi nne m agbachi iche nne m ịghọtala ụmụ nwaanyị oke agbara ha na-eji aka abụọ ebu ada dị ọra mmasị nọ n'iru akwụkwọ ịghọtago nwanne ihe m bịara ahịa ka nye unu kodos ịghọtara ka nye unu kodos ihe unu kara aka a ga-eshi unu ochichi n'ala Igbo ịghọtara onye a ga-eshi unu hapụ ihe niile ha na-akọ eri ịma na mgbe a na-ebido dis game ọ dịghị ka dis game ọwụlụ ọ ga-elu ndị mmadụ etu ugbo o riele ha ịghọtara dis na o ruola ha enwere ihe m dere na comment section. Mary, get ntị very very well. Your destiny helper in this game not supposed to is Okwuluora. All the whole people need to know with you can never help you. The only man that would have set you and put you in a very platform and a soft landing with Okwuluora. But immediately your case. Immediately your case. First and foremost, you got to Aroshi.
Very evil human being.
Yes. Second one, Gega join
Very evil.
join and the hey drug iwe kwabuzie gị n'olulu ọta mmiri nwa ori ubi aga kwakpuo gị na dị mmiri echi ebe a kụpụta aha ga-ege ka
etinyere ndị ego fam ka ya setụl dị ishu onye ọbụla dị maka mebe ọzọ onye ọsọ ya bụrụ ndị ewepụ ya na setụl maka COS rapụ dị grup etinyere ndị ego
okay echi ebe ahụ
ọnụ dị anata ya esiri esi m kedu ihe mere na ịtakazi arụ ọ bụrụ obere iwe ka mụ na ya jere nyaahụ. You know, when you are there, you see them lying.
Okay.
Lying. Now they put a voice note.
Okay.
Something so in the chiku here, second one, give up Takwa and Kaha Zuru, give John and Diamond, Shin and Diamond, Otana blue app, Kawakono. Chine kono gega mite da freeze. Oka abore jake ebu. Age jake ebu na social media.
Moto ka abore jake ebu.
Jake ebu. Gega mite da social media. Gishi ebe ha puzie. Gazi onye ga ewere shovel were gị 6 feet wo VDM. VDM. Gishi ebe ha pụta ha again. Belechi ụmụnne gị kwesịrị ịga reconcile with them. Ụmụ nwaanyị ibe gị ka ha nyere gị aka ka a ga-eshi wee solve all the problem. Dịka onye amụ mmiri gị na ya nọ dị ahụ. So where do we go from there? Then where do we go from there? Apatala ikwe ha join motor ga join kwa group bi ebe na akọ. Now today me gburu onwe go me gbu onwe gị ịghọtala ihe niile pụtụpụta agbala n'inwe efi. And ụmụ nwaanyị niile na-akọ ọnụ ha nwere good repetition in their home. Enwere ihe a na-akpọ story, enwere ihe a na-akpọ history. Ha setiela goals. Where do we bring what do we bring to the table? Enweghị otu mkpụrụ ihe ị ga-eweta na tebụl. Ebere m emegbuorire nwoke lọbatara gị n'ụlọ deme gị n'ụlọ ma ọ bụrụ na ị nọ na di ga-epụta na soshal midia na-ara nke ọzọ. Advice m na-enye gị yawo Mary bakpuo obe gị were ncha na mmiri saa ahụ gbakwuru Chineke gị chọwa otu ihe emebigo na ihe emebigo ị ga-eru n'isi mmiri ahụ and enwe ihe ga-eme ka ị ghara iru di ya and irugokwana ya akwenye na ebekata ahụ ị ka na-ebechu ebechu ịghọtara and enwe ihe ga-eme ka ị ghara iru di ya and ị ga-eru di ya ịghọtara. So ihe m na-acha gị ka ịghọta nwụ na-awụ ịmara ihe ị ga-eme lakpuo na be gị hapụ ndị niile agbara gị okirikiri enweghị enye ọbụla ga-enyere gị 1,000 pounds iji akpọta lọya.
Why did I work? Onye lakpu na be ya the guy ga-akwụgodo ụgwọ oji Chima. Ọ ji ndị mmadụ ụgwọ.
Ihe etu ọ ga-alakpunu ga-akpakọ onwe ya ọnụ weta ego ọ ga-akwụ ndị mmadụ. Ihe ọ na-eme ebe ọ na-akọ ọsụrụ onwe ya more damages. Ihe niile ọ na-ara ntị arụ ọnụ na ọ na-akọ ọsụrụ onwe ya more damages because ọ baghị uru na ị na-apụtaghị ya gị na-akọ ụmụ nwaanyị ọnụ na-akọ ndị mmadụ ọnụ. Ọ gị wetara ọnwụ gị. Ọ kpatara
Facebook enwere onye o wepụrụ ihe na Saga
ọ kpatara nkụ ahụhụ so ngwere bịara ya ọrịa. Ịpụtakwa echi gbaa m Saga ịpụta echi gbaa m Saga dankindankom
ọ ya gbapụghị nke Chima nke ozu iberibe
onye side ya dị noise
dị ebe a. So ihe ọbụla ọ sọrọ gị pụta ebe a bịa mee problem ihe onye rere nkịta were nwedemekwa n'ụlọ ya ihe ntụkụ ka nọkwa n'ụlọ ya imekwa elu m ala problem a ma ọ kpụrụkwe na-eche gị agbataghị ya n'ọsọ. Nna m so ihe onye nwaanyị otoro okwu n'ome onwe ya ọ mgbe ọsọ esula dimkpa niile a nwụsara gị n'akụ na-awụ ọnụ gwụrụ ma ndị na-akpụrụ ahụ ọnụ ha ma ndị na-akpụrụ ajọ otele ha ma ndị amụ ha na-ekeli ma ndị na-eku nwa ma ịghọtara ma ndị nyaga keke marawa n'ala bekee ha ncha niile ga-apụta ugbu a ịghọtara. Ndị akwakpuru n'ime ele ebe ha nọ ịbakwala ịba na ịba na enwekwa two ways about it. Ịbago bụ na ịbago one ịbana na Nigeria ịbana na UK ekast ala everywhere kast ya n'ụwa niile aha ga-edele ya even ihe ọ ga-apụta ugbu a na aga be nna ga-ede aha gị na street enwe na ahịa ahụ eji aga na village ọnụ ma ọkwa nne nwere village ebe ị ga-ala ebere m na-emere gị ihe m na-agwa gị ebe ahụ nwaanyị mechite ọnụ gị tochie ọnụ gị
continue talking.
ọnụ gị ma ọ
You don't know how to talk.
Oh, no, sorry, but Shani, I can get many since. It's too late now.
Onye akpara nwa ndụ aka n'ọdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ ị gara aga kpara oke kpara dezi kpara chichi ịnwụdala ahụ mmadụ atọ ị gara aga kpara ifinishi ele akwụghị mmadụ atọ ịkpara ala uku maka Chineke nna gị lakpuru ụra ihe 2 hours n'ụlọ gị ahụ na-akpakara bedị gị ahụ yewachiri eyewachi ị na-aba mamịrị abashi maka Chineke gị ihe ụra na bedị ahụ kpọmosu akwa anyị nọ ya ebe a ka anyị nọ ma gị ma ndị otu gị ebe anyị anọ m na-elele gị akwa refri ị ga-anọgide ị ga-ahụ the final whistle of this game akwa gị ma a ga-egbu final whistle ọnwụ na-egbu final whistle ị gaghị alakpu akwa ihe a na-emeghị ya all of you niile pụtara ebe a jide somebody na-enyere ụwa aka were na-emebi ya somebody ga-enyere gị aka ị na-emebi ya ụnụ apụta ahịa ụnụ anọghị ya na-ara ntara ọnụ ajọsị m na-achị ụnụ ọchị ka m na-achị ụnụ problem aka resolve go efologide m this case for a long time. God will bless kedu ihe a na-akpọ ya waja na-ezu ndị niile wepụtara ọnụ dị mkpa wepụtara ihe ha na-eme hapụ ihe ha na-eme ọnwụ na Facebook na-akwụ ụgwọ ha pụta na-ekwu okwu a ka eme ya ka ọ dị mma emechaa ụnụ ala n'azụ agbaghasịa emechaa ụnụ ala n'azụ ka agbaghasịa ebe ụnụ na-achọ ka ụnụ bring this young man down ụnụ bring ya down problem ọ dịgo so ugbu a na onye chi ya na-alụrụ ya ọgụ akwụrụ gara na KVDM abịa na kedari free akwa ịhụnanya na ụwa niile na-alụtụrụ ya ọgụ na ụnụ emepọchala otolo ụnụ otu aka ọha m n'olu ịghọtara ihe ọ bụla ụnụ chọrọ ikwu oge dezi chichi enyere m ụnụ license ihe ọ bụla ụnụ chọrọ ikwu na blue app a gbasara Mary wenu finish ya ọnwa anyị bụ ụnụ na ya gbụwa wọ
onwe ihe m chọrọ ịjụ ya before oge aga m achọ m ịjụ she kind of took Daddy Freeze's interaction with Daddy Freeze. Gawere ya bugara onye ofili save ya. Now I want to ask her. She was the one that went to seek for the company intervention of Daddy Freeze, right? And that is when you go to consult somebody, you got a consultation fee, whether mean or no, that is the truth. Now I want to ask you, Mary. These people you went to Nigeria to pick money from, did they tell you they wanted to come to UK? If they did they come to you for help? Because you know she. Now, what made you to take such amount of money from them, even one dime? Was it because you are giving a fee to something like such a COS? Do you pay people apart from the money because you took the commission from them and then you still paid for their COS, took the commission and still took the charges, the right charges from them? Now I'm sure you get onye marry onye nwere ezigbo uche. Now in a akwa ụmụnne gị, the same ụmụnne gị ahụ, why didn't it occur to you that you could still do this thing without taking one kobo from them?
Exactly, free of charge. Thank
you.
That
has been my point.
That's exactly what Mrs. Flo charged. Since you are a messiah that want to help them come to Europe,
and
come
so
to UK.
And you guys are throwing that the Freeze is charging money for his business.
But you went to study Freeze. No, I'm not sure that she's giving visas. She's not in the offices. Only can an office here. That the Freeze is somebody who is in his office. So you come for him for consultations. Now, whatever you call yourself, because I don't like that name, yourself. Whatever you called yourself, how come in any office, in any license in Agwu, is there anything you're giving back to the UK government that made you to take a commission? Because I'm a agent. Maybe you go to the agent.
COS scammer.
Exactly. Not that Mary. No. So let us answer this valid question.
Simple.
You so much love your people. Why did you take commission on top of that?
Exactly.
You were fraud. You were fraud. You are a fraud. Every of your activities are fraudulent. And then no one listening to you. And no one listen to you. You see that person is an accomplice, or the person is also doing the same thing you are doing. Because
This sister batara na ya mute her speaker. Ya na-ebe akwa na background.
Ọ ga-ekwu n'okwu na.
Ọ chọrọ ikwu okwu ya mee ya mute.
Okay,
Can you hear us? Okay.
All right. Okay. So, like I was asking, Mary, if they don't ask you these questions, can you one number? Let me assume that. One Nigeria that wanted to leave the country because of hardship. Now you could have still done that thing without taking a dime from them. But you collected money. And then on the whole thing was a flop. What would you do as Onye Barosahia to go back and give that money? Onye thinking faculty. Sundays you go to mass or whatever you go to. You still call Tinubu, not a major. You call your governors that they are doing wrong. Mary, you were fraud. And whoever that is dealing with you that is not calling you a fraud, first before they want to solve your problem, that person is also a problem we have in Nigeria. It was a problem in Igbo land. And no matter where you come from as a tribe of Igbo, it was Onyoshi, and I'll continue to call you Onyoshi. Why you took money from our people to get them a COS? Do you have any office that you are paying for? In when any office with consultation fee, there was as okay, I pay for this, I'm paying for the light. Are you an agent?
You want to collect the money, or could you take government tax?
Okay, if you don't answer those questions, it won't shake. And the mom said, "Ana hapuga es iwuhiana manaka barauka no teleparashi to me, mana standard." Money we agadaga wine. Money you don't leave you. You think he's coming to call Ogechi we're not gonna leave you. You are the subject of the matter. You are the point of contention here. Until you return those money. And that one is the reason why you fraudulently collected their money. Period. You are a fraud. Go ahead, my sister.
There is no difference between that Mary and Flo.
Simple.
They are the same thing.
Thank you.
To be honest
with you.
Because I have been following this case for a long time. The woman is going from one place, from one blogger to another. It's like there's something inside this case, right? It's not even about the money. You have an idea. That's the act of wickedness. You heard about somebody doing something. Instead of you to refer the person to the person,
yes.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
You want to extort money from them, take advantage of that. That is the point I made.
Advantage of their vulnerability.
Take advantage of people, and now you are claiming they are poor. They are something. They sold their house. And you money.
Somebody that said that you are suffering yourself. You are using your people money you collected. We are in genie simply, but you forget to buy shampoo for your hair.
She shouldn't use the sister's money to buy anything.
We use your status in the society, the environment where you live to deal with you. At one time, maybe I could all these ones. I'm not used to that. But I will tell you who you are. Use who you are to deal with you. That is me. The same way I dealt with Choco Granots. Made him realize that he's a nobody. The whole world knows that he's just a noise maker on social media.
That one want to build his page.
Our sister time.
Sorry.
So this Mary is in UK, from what I understand. The Flo she gave money is in UK. So why can't she do the needful? Why is he now calling Okwuluora everywhere he go? And anybody that want to say otherwise, she will say that the person, you don't understand. I don't. What do you want? Daddy Freeze, I watched their interview. Daddy Freeze was trying to ask her important question. Did anybody give Okwuluora man? No. Did they? He said no.
Say no. She did say no. Dodge that question. You don't understand. You don't understand.
Understand until the person strangle Okwuluora and say that Okwuluora you a thief. That is when you understand. So that's one thing I don't understand in her own ranting or calling out people, claiming from Choco to, like, I don't understand. That woman herself is a number one, like, they should arrest both of them.
Yeah, I'm of that. I'm a fraud, a fraud. She has accepted she took money from people, so she's a fraud. So she's a fraud. Because why would you be doing a business that's not licensed? Every agent.
Is she a licensed agent?
She's not.
So what are we saying? And she's not even, it's like she's so ignorant though.
Ignorant. Oh, that the person is ignorant. How can you know yourself? You don't even know yourself to describe another. Yes. You can imagine. She has no knowledge of herself to know who she is.
Let her continue with her fat nature. Where everybody is fat. Not everybody.
Ask me, I'm working now. I'm working.
To be fat today.
I don't even
rubbish.
want to be fat. So, like we are saying.
And when I'm my uniform to reduce. I am getting weight.
It's not good now. I'm working now. Side you don't have. I mean, I'm 30 minutes walk, more than 30 minutes. Work. See,
the problem I in America.
And so now we use our bicycles. We can walk comfortably. Nobody's harassing me. Yesterday, Larube himself late, as in it was always almost getting dark. But that is not what we're talking about. Like I said, oh yeah, chokai davatation, kako one, ichi come on, he be face to face. Mary, if face to face, he come on, one, you don't know who you are, because if you know who you are, it so your face from Facebook. Imagine it with fraud.
Yeah, like seriously. Why is she not calling out Flo like the way she's calling out Flo? I don't understand. Why is she not calling the person that she gave money directly? Like, I don't understand the point. Okwuluora this, Okwuluora. She just left the person she gave money and be dragging the guy.
Because no, Okwuluora peanuts. Okwuluora biara heart contribute to ego, and maybe she has been paying money. I want Okwuluora mwebuta all these vulnerable people. Yeah, ego. So all these people, whatever she giving or something. Yeah, let us acknowledge that. But they go on
it's not dragging the guy like.
Yeah, can now go on ego on and with to account in your Okwuluora. Anyway, something one priest.
That is how it is.
Undo she. So, and I don't value people like that. So what this lady, we are one of the richest women in Nigeria, we value to me because so a fraud. She can't do anything comfortably in Nigeria again, not even in an office. But the money has in Nigeria. Mary, it's in Nigeria. That's when they bring your status, they bring mine. You are a fraud.
If
fraudulent activities.
If you don't dance to her tune, or Gable the paint take bad.
Yes.
True.
Yes, you are very observant. Exactly. Yes.
Hey.
That's have been of a way of participating in this thing.
I talk out of attention. My show friend name more again and Mehberry. John the natural gauge waiting I do with them. And we be it's small. You are small. It can be very small in this business. And all the kineme ana garage. Chukwe merige bere. Ikwe huna nkendi ahono na ekwu na group. Ibubuto onwe na Facebook. Ebe monye dika m ga-ahoge. E gachala ya ofo ya ona.
You run a program, kiddos. Please go report it to the authority. This thing authority, say you be number one authority. Report this man to the main authority himself. Everybody should put hands. Let this thing ban authority. It's getting out of hand. Okay, this lady keeps threatening everybody. If you go on, you become a problem. But you are busy going to platforms that are bullying others.
No, UK sister and I'm a highest order.
Bully everyone. You will be there. You will not say, please, we are not here for bullying. We are here just to make sure we get this money. But you'll be there supporting them. And when people call your name, you came out. Yeah, you came out a few days ago, and you started ranting. Mary, if you know Saga me, that's a problem. You got to. You got to. A woman and a threat, and maybe I want to ignore you because I'm that you. But when I get as much as come on this business, Mary, your name will be ringing bell.
From now till eternity. Image all unless mama's only Marugal. I got him,
very, you become a celebrity. Just here what I mark here today's date. You become a very big celebrity, but the other way around. In
record the child one day on our record all their voices. What they are a very dark man. It will not change the fact that you are the first wicked person.
It doesn't matter.
But I don't care whether they might be still really crying, but I'm saying that you are the first stabber.
If they are crying, Mary Nyeheguhana.
You need to go out of your league to go and sell your own property. Collect because you are to into this mess.
Continue to follow flow.
You know the funny part. This lady, she wants to use this what they call it, this blackmailing spirit or whatever to blackmail anybody.
Now bullying,
She said that they should start selling property, selling this, doing this before. Yes, I said that before, but I want that you guys. What I meant was to solve this problem at the initial time. I never knew that when another hidden agenda. What I meant is just to solve the problem at the initial time. But when I saw that you were a personal vendetta against Okwuluora, I decided to back off because you guys cannot handle the case.
You see that Choco is not even talking about the money.
He's not talking about
it's like it's a personal thing.
Destroy Okwuluora.
My sister, thank God there are still human beings.
Platform. I was telling them, how can we resolve this? I hate this small stars and I want to cap and choco.
Okay, what do you expect?
He said, he said, Ogechi, am I gonna be the one to bring solution? Am I going to stop the problem? Instead of going to ask them to ask Okwuluora how to solve the problem. So why are you in the game? Why are you then ranting? Why are you then ranting?
Okay, since I hear anytime put a platform. Do you know how many men and I've been on my DM? I've been on my DM. As in there. That's this, you are this, you know. Somehow people are listening. Okay, people are listening, and they are people they and a hunger for truth. We are they search for the truth. The only thing, like Adeze said, and that the priest also confirmed it today, our people are so uneducated. They are so empty, and anything goes for them.
They like this person. They think because of they hate. They like that person. I hate you. That's the thing.
That the priest also said it today, okay. That the priest said it today, that people, when they like you, no matter what you do, they will dance to your truth. When they don't like you, they will not want people to hear it. They will hear the truth.
They have already hated. Even if you're saying that is exactly what is happening in this thing. No matter the truth, if you like, you women yourself, they say that.
And then we're not saying it because of them, because I know that there will always be idiots. Okay? Now, Italian has thrones, say, there will always be bitches, idiots.
Imagine this Udela case. They don't like Udela, they hate him, but because of Facebook,
exactly.
Because no matter how mean these people are, because of Facebook, as far as they are fine. They know the truth, though, because they hate Obukobi and the Udela, the dirty monster that is handling the case. Oh, we go for Udela. As far as Obukobi go down. Or to tell you how evil these people are. So
then how can you? Somebody somebody you did not make, you cannot destroy. He make you and Berry one you are not in alignment with God. Come see penance. Then, but because penance means you have to accept that you have done wrong. When you go to do a confession, you go to Zoma accept in for the fact that you can agar in a Facebook, they claim rights. It no alignment with the devil. So what I'm saying is this: you cannot destroy whom you did not make, and you did not make a Okwuluora. Neither also go that you've been giving him money. That's again chicken change. We are ready to refund you. Also, yourself, maybe give a receipt of how much you have spent on Okwuluora's NGO. Can you give back? Because all will go again at random mother no shiki people. Because they couldn't always put some of you, not everybody though. So Mary, you did not make me. You did not make Okwuluora. You did not make a Daisy. You did not make any of us. And you are the least to think of destroying any of us. And the last thing, a bully, you are a bully. In my hear you were a bully. Because you were a failure in life. That's everybody that bullies. And then when something they lack in them. And I want to put it to you. I wouldn't need the contented. I wouldn't know to hear Juruganya. Igari enwe obi. Gana one negego.
Exactly.
I'm very okay with myself. I'm so happy and contented. And that is why when I see opportunities like you see, I will turn around. I will not take time. So if you think that you can bully people around, onye dikamo, I will want to destroy bullies. Destroy you bullies. Make it deflate. That's you don't know who you are dealing with.
You don't need to go to the UK with me, but you are in Europe here. Really, I gotta file a series of petitions.
Yeah.
If you don't want your name to be there,
no, I didn't
work it together.
You don't want to my name. I will be traveling immediately after this.
You don't say in the UK are not serious about it. Chief Pilot posted a phone number and email address and the police station office where you can write petition.
Yeah, I will tell my own.
Forward her through email and report her and Flo. Let them go and answer the police. Let's start from there. Okwuluora's own is coming. Okwuluora send there, it will be another thing. Chief Pilot will send. Other people listening will send their own because this thing it has gotten out of hand already.
What is too much?
Will be
too much.
That's why Ezugo and Waja did a lot of work. It is the same this lady and her team that went inside them, that same WhatsApp group that Waja created. Whatever they were discussing in that group, they were sending it out to them. They went and brainwashed most of these victims. Don't follow these people. To expose them. They went and brainwashed them on Nigeria now. They don't know how things work abroad.
Yeah.
They now stopped them, restricted them from releasing much information. That's why you see Ezug and Waja, they didn't do anything beyond what they gave us on Facebook.
But it's still
everything, Madam.
Maybe
said on Okwuluora's platform. Waja and Ezug, and I've done live video, 3 of us, on all the information with the amount of money they took from them, and the ones recovered. And so far, till today, anybody made anybody $10, $1, £1, £1 back to them. Say how they go drink. Okay, why
if you don't know yourself, how can you describe another person? You will not have mouth to talk.
Because I came online and told the people to go and report to the police. I'll stop talking.
If you have not,
decided to act decent.
Does she wash her private part? Or the private party? Does she?
Oh, fat people. Nobody hates them.
Will go into those nails. Oh, a dirty woman bitch is unhygienic. When you are doing health, in our own health, you can't put on such nails because on a buru dating from outside, putting at the patient's body.
Mary, tell me how you are using those long nails.
Orisha semo, Orisha pounded yam, or ya tapra cheba, or where they see that side. Let on your mother. Emma, people don't know who they are. Like I said,
this learn each other. We still return back to the main issue at hand, which is COS. Don't think I'm not the type you can easily distract. I'm very intelligent if you don't know.
Establish. So now, and you know when we will a man will establish working. I was establish. Choke up, Bama will establish. Nkasi ne I don't know nebe will establish. Cause only when we call the Ranyaka and you establish.
When he was broke,
Facebook made everybody rich, intelligent, managers, owners of all your land on Facebook is a rich person. There is no poor person here. Everybody that has a page can feed everybody's generation. Mary, let
us go and have a walk. I made them 1 hour. 1 hour. Look at you, an embarrassing human being. It's embarrassing. It was disgrace to womanhood. That can go so hand long. How do you wash your private parts? Eh? Yeah. Ciao.
And for you people's information, okay, OG, I was calling you then. I think you were sleeping. You didn't pick. I wanted to brief you what was going on. Okay. Okwuluora was supposed to come out for this interview. I called him personally and told him, stay off social media. Let Obiora that has legal background. Obiora is a barrister, even though he's not practicing. Let him go there and represent you. Obiora, with access to that WhatsApp group, he knows everything that happened from beginning till end. So he knows what to say. Let him go to there and answer that the freeze. Don't go there, because whatever you say, they will twist
use it against you somehow. Yeah, exactly. That is why you don't speak until your lawyer comes. When I
saw that he posted that Okwuluora is coming to his
and I'm happy he didn't go again.
Why will he do this? Rubbish. He shouldn't respond any, like these people, they are just ranting. He should just stay. Whatever they want to do, VDM want to call right petition, let him go ahead.
I know ya. Yes, I know ya. Mandi na long nails na saibu ha. I got man ibushi yushi na kene yushi.
VDM because petition tomorrow. Okay. I wanted to tell you
tomorrow. Top got those nails.
VDM. Maybe I got forward the documents. I send either OG or any of us privately. Can we send the lawyer Okwuluora? Can have forward the petition? Explain.
Listen. I've told you guys. What's up? You don't need his address. WhatsApp is a legal means to serve anybody.
Yeah.
You send it to WhatsApp, and as soon as the case is, why are you guys waiting for his address? And you know a lawyer's number, WhatsApp number. That is the only, you serve it to the lawyer and call the lawyer to check his WhatsApp. Okay. He will confirm that he has received it. The same thing applicable to the VDM. You serve him through WhatsApp and also publish it on social media. Tag his page.
On social media.
The police would then call him on phone. What are you guys waiting for his address? On to work in it. Address making minute.
I should seek for legal advice and stay off all this.
A lawyer serve but through WhatsApp. Yes. You can start someone through WhatsApp, and he received it, and he acknowledged it and make a video that don't want to go. What are you saying? Which else?
Mary, like I said,
which address can I?
Yes, Mary, you cannot
this guy not on social media all the time. Other bloggers get booyah that the friends can also carry it and tag him. I can carry it and tag him. People will be carrying him and tagging him. let's assume he will claim he did not, he will know that he has received it, and they will then call him. Yes, a call. Yeah, what are you guys saying? Address, AJ Megan. Those days are gone. The court of law has proven that serving through WhatsApp is legal.
Okay.
Serving through phone number is legal. What are you waiting for? Is that address?
It's okay. So let's go back. As long as you continue to cry foul, they may people emotionally blackmail. Only emotionally stable. You cannot blackmail me. You cannot blackmail. You cannot. You are too small. He will want that to me to come and start making all this bully signs.
It's really unfortunate now. Oh, one of the deal gara now.
It shows now how what has a Zoshi na UK.
Oh,
They are very rich, they are this, they are that. This is how they defraud people and they get away with it. That is the reason why.
They don't have sense. Somebody came and announced something. You need information. In inquiries, email. You are not sure.
Do you know what it means? He calculates or £5,000. £5,000 that you have to do 3 months in the UK. If you don't have any certificates, maybe 1,500 times 3. More than that, 3 months salary. You wait an issue for times 4, 20,000. You get identity again.
Investigation. It just go cash. They be mad. If they are new query. Like sometimes I reason whether some people have brain. And anybody that is doing illegal deal is supposed to know he have 50-50. Awkward idiot. Like he get more mind eating or bone nature in a deal that is illegal. You supposed to hide yourself in shame. You buru nego no na cash. They buru be why no be. Why license why did or office the show name that is registered. At least almost that is a track. We go a legal way track in woman. You bring good no they mad because they are vulnerable. It's really unfortunate.
But they think if you open your mouth and talk, when you get mad abuse, just that you want to express the situation.
Hold on. One important information. Can you guys keep quiet? Hold on. Let me speak. Go ahead, my brother.
Because okay. Yeah. That the freeze any person marry ego. Now this is US.
I heard it too.
Evidence because that is Kunyagi okay run program all to not America run throughout. Where's yours now? So even forward with evidence because actually because so many people on a rent good man whatever you the then secondly one guy in I okay that was in the program. He came the Mary £9,500. Okay. Yet I go near Naira. Then Mary, it's in the bush. Not similar again. Then you number on ya, careful on ya. Mary, see, I near contact here. Near business here. Or I near contact here. Yes. Oh, you put a Mary barrier. And the guy, all their life. Even also, Yana, they are about again with a Mary. Now, the end symbol last. That's more than 9,500 on your year. He had a top stuff on yellow. On your Madam Flo is £4,000.
That was why Okwuluora mentioned the barrister said that she met.
That is why she wants to cover it.
They want to then flow balance to go marry every 13,000. The guy even one pound. Hey! The guy even £1. Yes. So
and the Mary blocked the guy.
Yes.
Can that guy come to my program? Let us run a program. Can somebody get information about that guy? Let that guy come to my program.
I'll try and I'll ask Ezugo or Waja. Kamara number contact that guy. Man, release here, so you can call the guy. I'll try and ask
Come to my program, live program. I mean, these are the kind of people we need to bring on this program. Let's keep opening our people's eyes that this Mary is a porn scammer, a porn enemy.
He's a criminal.
Hey, please, if you know, you send the money to Mary. Bring the total amount of the money you send to Mary and send it to Daddy Freeze. Say Daddy Freeze is watching me and this is the announce he want me to make. Please, if you know you are involved with Mary's scam and Mary collected, imagine 4,000 you get, 4,000 is the amount you gave Flo, and the 9 out of the remaining 3,000 something you ate it.
The does it look like somebody now 4,000?
You block this man. Please, anybody that know, share this program and click love. Anybody that has this guy information should contact me. Guys, I gotta get ready to go to work. I'm gonna be rounding up because okay. I need to hit up to work. I will come back see this program. If you know that guy, if you have any information of that guy, tell the guy to reach out to me. I am going to announce that he's coming on live and we're gonna run this program together. Chief Pilot, get ready that day. Sister Chichi Francisca and the Daisy. You guys should get ready and join us on this. Mary cannot bully anybody. Mary cannot shut anybody up. Mary cannot use divide attention to die this thing. Mary is the bone of contention. Mary is the architect of this crime. Exactly. Mary and Flo are okay and
no, sorry, can I go before you know that now Flo was Flo. They are the men. Let us give credit. Scammer. Let us give credit also to Flo. Flo was doing actually they were about doing something until Flo.
Give credit to her. Lie.
No, that made at least ihe mmadụ na-asị na Okwuluora na onwe wepụ aka na this case. So what do you want?
There is no credit to give to that woman. That woman is a hard thing.
I said, look, if for the fact that only, like you said, actually, emphasize on what you said, Mary is the bone of contention here.
I'm telling you.
Somehow, even with the property flow, or with the plan, understand? But the girl Gawariwa dated, Gawariwa shrines. You understand?
My point, why are they dragging Okwuluora? Know you fully well that this guy is innocent.
Exactly. They will answer.
That guy, whoever, there's nothing like there's nothing like Rod, listen and listen very carefully.
Are you the one asking this question? When they said you raised million for some people and ate the money, why did they know it's not true? Why did they carry the news all over Facebook? It's the same group of people. When they tagged you a criminal and said you raised million,
it's the same group of people.
That breathe. Ofu anka na akpo oge onwe oge territory because na oge can dey are long episode.
Onye agadi wan onye we love agadi wan. Love agadi wan we go time ya weputa ihu ya. Agadi wan he's a very useless human being. Agadi wan na group hano. Agadi wan we like to make Bobble ya. Please, if you are one of the victims that Mary collected money and blocked, or have not blocked and still deceiving you, that don't come out, this thing will then, let me tell you, as more you keep quiet, as more dangerous this game become, you better come out. You better come out. You see, Mary will pay all the victims he collected the money from. Mary is the main criminal.
If this case goes to the hands of Mary is in trouble. So why would you trust somebody that has already failed you? O fail good once.
No,
Now
no,
you keep
God,
failing
I'm
another one.
mechi.
All right then.
Mechi. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening from here.
Yeah, good evening.
Thank you, man.
Go ahead. Go straight to the point, I beg. I'm mechi.
Okay, yeah. Other than to contribute to one, yeah, maybe FS this period of time. She don't expect it that time the FS this period of time.
Mm-hmm.
Now, one kind can cover everybody. Yeah, and then in America now, the Nigeria government, Nigeria citizens,
All of them now, all of them.
because the UK, what we're getting every complicated. Says innocent souls. Now, each of the person you can have, I will shoot all of us. So the criminality of male need to be handled without even winding on a ganga on the street in another. Because now this particular thing, it's together for a very long time. Another 18 months for no reason. So that is the little thing I can contribute to. When you're not really I can should not continue. Yeah, I can continue because it's going to affect everybody. Thank you very much.
Welcome, brother. So that we can.
So, come Biko. Bye bye.